Pastor Kumuyi urges unity among faiths for a stronger Nigeria. Ondo group rebukes Rep. Abiola Makinde over motor park funding claims. Take your business to the next level with McSea Business Strategies, accounting solutions you can trust. Welcome to Akai Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. Ekimogu Roundtable, a socio-economic organization of Ondo indigenes, has criticized Abiola Makinde, a member of the House of Representatives, for allegedly misrepresenting his role in the funding of a motor park project in Ondo State. In a statement released on Wednesday, the group's acting secretary, Christiana Ayodele, addressed Makinde's claims that he co-sponsored the project in collaboration with the Nigerian Building and Roads Research Institute. Makinde, who represents the Ondo East and Ondo West Federal Constituency, has stated that the motor park set to be inaugurated on August 24 in Ondo City was a joint effort. However, Ayodele clarified that the motor park is fully funded by the federal government, holding 100% equity in the project. She emphasized the need to distinguish between government-funded initiatives and private or joint ventures, urging transparency in public statements. For details on this update, you can visit latestgist.org or akahinews.org. Pastor William Kumuyi, the General Superintendent of the Deeper Christian Life Ministry and the founder of Change Makers International, CMI, has emphasized the importance of unity and love between Christians and Muslims in Nigeria. Speaking at the inauguration of the Ondo State chapter of CMI in Akure, Ondo State capital, Kumuyi called for harmony among all religious communities as a foundation for building a better society and a more prosperous Nigeria. Represented by Pastor Jacob Asubiojo, the Ondo State Overseer of Deeper Life Bible Church, Kumuyi explained that CMI is a non-denominational and non-religious initiative designed to tackle the socio-political and economic challenges facing the nation. The initiative aims to bring together leaders from various faiths and sectors to find sustainable solutions to Nigerians' pressing issues. For details on this update, you can visit latestgist.org or akahinews.org. Are you looking for reliable accounting solution for your business? Look no further than McSea Business Strategies. McSea offers customized accounting solutions, including time tracking, inventory management, cloud accounting, and payment processing. With QuickBooks and other top accounting software, McSea will help you streamline your finances and stay ahead of the competition. For cloud hosting of QuickBooks Enterprise, Sage 50 and more, contact the management of McSea Business Strategies today. Visit McSea at 52 Landmark House, Isaac John Street, GRA Ikeja, Lagos, or call the management on 080-2450-4321. Thank you for joining me in this segment of our news headline. My name is Joseph Iyaji, and this is Akai Update. Thank you.